look so cute.
Cute lang. Gusto ko maganda like you. Charot. Yeah, it's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
I was wearing this one last night. But I just washed it.
I love your headband.
I don't have clothes anymore.
Why?
I just have like few clothes. Because all of the clothes that I brought here in Vietnam are for Miss Cosmo. Like dresses, gowns. I really don't have like personal clothes.
Ah, you can buy. You have money.
No money.
Ah, you have a lot of
Pautang,
money.
sige. Pautang. Bigyan mo ko pera.
I love your bare face. It's so cute.
Inong uto ka pa. No, I'm ugly because I like dark
No.
circles. Like this, oh.
It's natural.
What? I know. Milk Mommy Shark.
Thai milk tea?
Of course.
Oh my god.
And
You happy?
super.
Good.
I'll show you the food that I got.
What is that?
It smells so good. Okay, so the first one that I order is may patis.
Huh? What?
Ano ba English ang patis? Soy sauce. Ay, soy sauce ba? Fish sauce. Look, this one, Mama.
Ah,
I like this
I
one.
love. Smell good.
Yeah.
Smell good.
Smells so good. Smells like Miss Saigon perfume. Charot. Like, wanna eat?
Eat.
What time are you going to leave? Now?
Yeah. I
Oh,
gotta
yeah,
go
go.
now.
Later. 9 minutes. You leave at 9.
Oh my god.
I like this so much.
Good. Okay, I have 5 minutes.
Ay, ito naman. 5 minutes.
Huh? Yeah? Miss Saigon. From Lin. And I buy this.
Ah,
I
really?
have two.
Which one is better? The red one or the white one?
I love this.
Very good.
It's okay.
I like the purple one. It smells so good. It's best.
Yeah,
Shape,
I know.
right?
You miss me?
Super.
Yeah. I don't have.
When is Miss Cosmo Thailand?
February.
I hope they will invite me also.
Yeah. Please come.
But I promised to them that I'm going to visit you. Yeah,
Okay.
if I have like free time for sure next year.
I hope you come to Thailand.
Yeah.
And if you don't come, I will come to Vietnam to visit you.
Because you can stay here.
Really?
Yeah, we just have to
In your
ask.
room?
Yeah. We just have to ask permission. They're not strict. You just have to like tell them the dates.
Ian, tell me you will go to Hanoi on 27, right?
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why I packed my things. But they told me to bring at least 4 days worth of clothes. But I really don't have clothes anymore. Look, I'm always wearing this one.
Oh, entry!
Baby,
My daughters!
what's that?
They're your biggest fan.
My best friend.
And
Here.
how are you? Hello!
They're pretty.
Nah. What are you doing?
We're in the mall after eating some mao chai. Mao chai. I don't, you know, Malatan. Malatan. Mao chai. Like Malashenko, you know.
Mama, Okay.
No, there's a spicy house, Moham.
Spicy house?
No,
No.
no, really. There's a when I go to Bangkok, I usually eat spicy house, and they have like Malashenko, Mao chai, Malatan. You don't know it.
I'm sorry.
Yes, that one, the spicy house one. You don't know it? That's really good. You should try it. If you are into the spicy food.
Spicy house.
Okay, I will try.
Me too. I want also to try.
Yes, you should try it. That's
We
my
will go
favorite
together.
brother.
Huwag ka na umalis mo, ma'am. Dito ka na lang. Gabi na.
It's like Chinese food.
We're still born in the city, one.
Yeah. What are you eating, Chelsea?
I'm eating Thai food, baby. I ordered Thai food. I was craving milk tea and this one. This is so good.
What is that? Watergrass?
Water grass. Tangtog lang sa amin ito.
You guys are so pretty.
Hello, สวัสดีค่ะ มิงกะลาบา สวัสดีค่ะ
M3, you asked. Ito.
My mom? But they go inside. Actually, in the shopping mall, it's just us. No one.
Why? It's already closed? It's already late.
Yeah, it's already.
That's why.
Yeah.
Mom is going out. It's also going out.
What is your plan for New Year?
I come back to my hometown. Yeah.
Me, I think I'll just stay here. New Year. But I
I
want
think I'm going to eat 12 grapes under the table.
Wait, you're going to eat 12 grapes? It means you want boyfriend.
No. I mean, like, it's just
M3.
grape is for snacks or something.
M3.
Yeah, you have to eat 12 grapes under the table to have a boyfriend, I think.
No.
A girlfriend.
Really, is it only for boyfriend? I thought it's for the prosperity and everything. Isn't it? No. Actually, I ate last year's, but there's no boyfriend. No.
Si Muam, pang ilang spray niya na yan ng pabango. You know, Muam is going out with her sister.
Yes.
Ooh.
I have dinner.
Isama mo na lang kami. Bring us there. Please.
Pautan. Chelsea, pautang.
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 Muham is rich. We should ask
Ah.
Muham.
Chelsea super rich. And Chelsea
Yeah.
have a lot of money. And she
Yeah.
has a phone number bank.
Pautang.
Pautang. Please treat us.
M3, we should do a mini reunion.
Yes. Yes, we should. Where? When? How?
Yeah.
Where? When?
So it should like be connected. Yeah, the Fernandez family.
Oh, wow, Moham.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's nice. Where are you going?
I don't know restaurant. I go with my sister. Yeah, I don't know the plan.
Sisters?
Yes,
Sister, are you sure?
yes. My sister. Anna Sia.
Muham, babe ka.
Hmm?
What is that game? King ka mabuti.
No.
What's that mean?
Mom, you're gonna live now.
King ka mabuti.
Ang ganda niya. You became more beautiful with your short hair.
Lily? You like?
I like so much.
Ah.
Next is M3. We're gonna cut her hair too.
Okay, my original hair is very curly. You can see my curl here. So if I did, I was like,
Yeah, me too. I just always put like straightening conditioner. Straightening conditioner. Yeah, okay, Mom. You're gonna leave na.
she's gonna leave us.
I'm going to end my life too. Because you're gonna leave na.
I want to talk with you, but
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, with Melina.
Okay.
We're going to be in Hanoi.
Yeah.
And it's also cold there in Hanoi, like Dalat. No. They said colder than Dalat.
Oh my god.
Wedding Chelsea? What is that meaning?
Weddings?
Yeah, bedding Chelsea. Bedding see Chelsea.
It means
Oh,
gay.
bedding.
We are all gay.
Ah. Yeah.
Pause, girl. I want to capture.
Okay. Do this with me.
Okay.
You tag me.
See you next live, everyone.
Baby, you take care.
Take care. Love
Enjoy.
you guys.
Bye bye.
Love you. Miss you.
Bye.